Hi, good evening. How was your day? Today, I have something to talk about with you. I have two things I really feel shocked. At first, did you notice it? Um, Yesterday, I totally forgot to post my video on YouTube. That's why my streak broke. This is my really shocking accident. But so yesterday the English training, which held in Tokyo, has finished safely. That's why, while getting on Shinkansen, I really enjoyed drinking some bottle of beer. That's why my memory, I have to post my video every single day, has been gone. That is the reason. And secondly, this is the most unfortunate thing. Eventually, I decided to sell my one of favorite car, this red Roadster. And now, right after I finished to record this video, I'm going to the dealer Mazda and I will sell it. The reason I'm selling is just because actually I have much time to enjoy this car, and this is also unfortunate thing for my Roadster. That's why in my desire I'd like this my Roadster to enjoy driving with the new owner. This is just my hope. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you also enjoy driving. Bye.